Horses have the ability to run fast as athletes in the animal world. Their speed ranges from 56 to 70 kilometers an hour, and their maximum speed can reach 88 kilometers per hour. 35 moments when horses take down the Lion King on their territory. Horses racing on the golden grass. Never notice the lion snarling and watching nearby. It seems that the lion is too proud of himself, so he slowly approached the prey step by step. Horses enjoying the cool water and still don't know the lion is rushing toward them. The chase began and the lion got very close to the horse. Therefore, the horse strode faster to escape the lion's chase. For some reason, the crocodile came ashore to invade the horse's territory. In order for the invader not to take the chance at attack, the horse struck with one step ahead and kicked with his hind legs at the crocodile.
Yes, we are. Here we are.
The horse ran with all their might so that they can get away from the bear chasing behind. The chase has no end. Think of horses as gentle animals, but horses are only gentle when other animals don't touch them. This is the bitter ending of the wolf that he did not think about. The horse's merciless blows make the wolf unable to fight back. The horse seems to be losing its temper due to the presence of wolves. The owner's trying to stop it but also panics and its loss of composure. With just 2 knocks from the horse, the wolf lay still and no longer moved. It's really too easy for a horse to subdue this trespasser. In the middle of the desert, the lion is still hunting for prey. The donkeys walked slowly on the sand, not knowing the danger was coming. The lion behind rushed forward, causing the donkeys to flee. An ill-fated donkey was embraced by a lion from behind. Bite on the neck and pin the donkey to the ground. So another bad donkey was hunted by the lion. The zebra was running when the lion stopped it. The zebra saw it and immediately turned and ran away. A lion's hiding in the grass to observe its prey. Light footsteps hit the target. Then gallop out close to the prey, not to let it escape. Due to the innate instinct, the zebra repeatedly kicked its hind limbs so that the lion could not get close to him. Seeing danger coming, the herd of zebras ran non-stop. No matter how great a hunter, the lion must succumb to the giraffe's kicks. As soon as the giraffe rushes forward, the lion will be knocked out. It kicks back and gives the lion a few kicks. After trampling the lion, it panics and run away. In the unexpected incident, the lion rushes to the prey accurately. Not stopping there, the lion bit and clung to the zebra's neck, causing the zebra to panic and run in an unidentified way and rush out. The zebra used all his strength to knock the lion out of him, and the result was expected. It escaped from the lion's mouth. Not knowing how strong his strength was, the zebra faced the other horse. The horse didn't just grow up to accept the challenge of the zebra. Constantly biting on the neck and buttocks makes the zebra unable to resist. the herd of zebras scattered, not knowing the direction to go. A zebra that wasn't quick on its feet was neatly pounced on by the lion. Seeing the situation was not good, another zebra stopped to save the other friend. After the help, the zebra escaped from the lion's mouth. The zebra gave the lion an extra kick and ran away. Seeing the lion approaching, the giraffe quickly struck first. The lion saw this and ran away. Later, two lions approached the giraffe. When the giraffe was caught off guard, a lion jumped on the giraffe's back but was knocked down. A lion still didn't want to give up and jumped and bit the giraffe's neck. The lion was thrown painfully away. That's why the lion gave up. After the scattered chase, the lion kept prey for themselves. Can't decide victory or defeat, but the lion is trying to hold on to the zebra. When the lion was struggling to get up, the zebra kept biting the lion. The zebra's bites made the lion struggle even harder. A herd of zebras is crossing the river, one after another. Seeing delicious prey, the crocodile gathered and started to attack. Some unlucky zebras were bitten on the leg by a crocodile. Because of the pain, the zebra ran in panic and rushed to the shore and collapsed. It's not known when the leopard hid behind the bushes and how long it had been observing. Seeing the weak prey, he immediately approached and used his legs to move and capture the prey. No more zebras protesting, crocodiles crawled up to the shore to share the spoils with the leopards. After a while of not being able to eat the spoils, the crocodile gave it all to the leopard. The zebra painfully takes every step of the way. The patches of skin were brutally bitten by the leopard, but still unable to stop the zebra from escaping. The giraffe stood looking at the surroundings when a few lions approached. The shot from the giraffe's hind limb still didn't hit the target. Having detected danger, the giraffe attacked first. Giraffes don't seem to care much about the lions at their feet. Just using kicks to the back of the legs also scared the lion to dare not approach. The lion hides under the grass to prepare to approach the target. When he saw the zebra had lost his focus, he took the opportunity to rush out and use his old skills to grip his prey. After only a few minutes, the prey was still, and the lion pulled the prey away. The donkey is walking slowly on the grass and still doesn't know that the lion is behind him. The lion slowly approaches its prey in a masterful manner. Seeing that the donkey had been discovered, the lion rushes to chase the prey. The chase begins. With this agility, the donkey is certainly no match for the lion. The lion perfectly intercepted the prey, but the lion still hasn't dealt with the prey right away. In the distance, another lion was approaching, probably wanting to take its prey from this lion. That's right, the lion rushed to snatch the prey fiercely. Although fierce, it still cannot rob the prey. The lion just stood looking regretfully. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then all you have to do is click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you've got any comments, you know where to leave them, in the comments below. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the show, and I'll see you again for another great adventure. Bye!